CEOs of two major airlines say that they don't think wearing masks on airplanes really provides any additional protection against the spread of COVID-19.
Surprising remarks. Mask mandates for planes and other public transportation was one of the first executive orders implemented by President Biden. Crown 4's Gayle joins us live tonight in San Francisco with reaction from local health experts. Gayle.
Pam and Vicky, those remarks from the CEOs coming at a subcommittee hearing yesterday, and health experts disagree.
No, we're not ready to go maskless on airplanes. I think it's a horrible idea.
UC Berkeley infectious disease specialist Dr. John Schwartzberg weighing in on remarks made by executives for American Airlines and Southwest Airlines before the Senate Wednesday.
I think the case is very strong that masks don't add much, if anything, in the air cabin.
I concur. The aircraft's the safest place you can be.
Gary Kelly, the CEO of Southwest Airlines, telling a Senate panel that the air and passenger jets' cabins are clean.
Statistics I recall is 99.97% of airborne pathogens are captured by the HEPA filtering system, and it's turned over every 2 or 3 minutes.
But health experts caution.
Yes, airplanes have very good ventilation. And yes, most people are wearing a mask and being respectful of that. Not all. But when the airplanes are on the tarmac, there's not very good at ventilation.
I would encourage people to, even if they fly on the airlines whose CEOs think they don't need to wear a mask, to please wear masks when they're on the planes. They're crowded environments. It's far and away the better part of valor. And we have Omicron coming.
Also at the hearing, Sarah Nelson, Association of Flight Attendants president, adds not all aircraft has the HEPA filtration, and
the studies that were done that have been referenced were also done with mannequins who were sitting straight forward with masks on, not removing them, not eating at any point in time.
Southwest Airlines issued a statement saying the airline supports the federal mask mandate and says in part that the sophisticated air distribution system introduces fresh outdoor air and HEPA-filtered air into the cabin, creating a protective environment prior to the added layer of wearing a mask. An American Airlines spokesperson clarified the CEO's statements were not intended to cast doubt on the necessity of face masks on planes, and says the airline also supports the federal mask mandate.
The federal mask mandate has been extended until March 18th, but health experts predict that will be extended again due to rising Omicron cases. In the meantime, local infectious disease experts suggest wearing an N95 or surgical mask if you're flying this holiday season. Reporting in San Francisco, Gayle Ong, Crown 4 News.